RS CVN Stars or RS Canum Venaticorum. One of such a RS Canum Venaticorum stars is in the Canes Venatici constellation in the northern sky, and that has such a binary star which is a RS Canum Venaticorum. What is going on there? There are two stars circling each other or orbiting each other, and they are around the size of the sun, so a yellow burning thing, maybe even a bit bigger orange subgiant or a yellow-white star. But basically two stars orbiting each other, and they are quite close together, just a few hours or a few days apart. And because they're so close together, they are facing all the time while they're orbiting each other the same side the other one. Like the moon is always facing with the same side the Earth and never shows the other side, they are also showing always the same side to the other one. Because they're close together and their gravity pulls them strong together, they can't go with their own axis spinning against the gravity, facing them towards each other always with the same side. Now, because they're now so close together and have to face always the same side the other one, they have to turn quite fast. And as I said, they are orbiting every few hours or days. They have to turn on their own axis every few hours or days, depending on what type it is now of a binary star. The sun is orbiting or is turning on its own axis around once a month. They have to do that now every few hours or days. It means much faster. Such a star consists out of atoms, hydrogen, helium, and if they are now so hot as they are in such a star, because they're pressing so much together, because they have so much mass, the atoms are shattering apart and they becoming ions. They lose an electron. And because they've lost an electron, they have more positive protons now than electrons. And whenever there is now an ion, it is charged because it has no more protons than electrons. That means it is now charged. And whenever a charge is moving, that produces a current. And whenever a current is produced, there's an electric field. So there are all the atoms. Because there's so many of them, they are formed together to form a star. Because there's so many of them pressing so much together, they are shattering, becoming hot, shattering, losing electrons, becoming ions. Now they are ions and they are charged, and because they are orbiting each other, they are a moving charge, therefore they have a magnetic charge and have a magnetic field. And now this magnetic field, that is now distorting a bit the surface of these stars. The book is saying that also the sun has its dark patches, because the sunspots, because of a magnetic field which also the sun has, because it's also turning, not so fast, but also. And they have now much more of them, because they're turning much more and have much stronger magnetic fields. That are RS CVN stars. According to Mark A. Garlick's Cosmic Menagerie book on the page 80 and 81, the positions and views expressed are the ones of the source and don't necessarily align with my own or with the ones of the entities power.